We already know what the problem is here. So, unfortunately, we ran into a problem. This is for the YouTube content, by the way. We already know what the problem is, but unfortunately, the thermal take, whatever this is, power supply. What is it? The Tough Power SFX 750 was dead on arrival. Which sucks. It doesn't require a whole rebuild, which is good. So most of this stuff, I'm probably just gonna throw this thing back together, other than the power supply, and order another one. I'm not sure which power supply I'm gonna go with yet. I don't think I'm gonna use thermal take. We shall see. Because these are really expensive, and you got to make sure you're getting your money's worth, you know. So, I mean, I can't really do anything else. I tested it with a known working power supply, and it worked first try. That's kind of where that stands. So, unfortunately, we'll be returning this one, and we'll get a fresh one in there. I will live stream the next part. Sometimes this stuff happens with building PCs. This is the first time ever I've seen a power supply not work, right out of the box. It's not typically a failure point. So this is very odd. Very odd. All right. Thank you guys for watching.